Feeling torn between the high interest rates and fear of not finding a home? I have sellers asking me all the time, should I sell now with these higher mortgage rates? Or what if I do? Where am I going to go? And in the housing market with all these twists and turns, these are valid questions. Hi, I'm Allison Miller. I think we all can agree that 2023 was a turbulent year for the real estate market with the high mortgage rates and low inventory. But did you know now can be the perfect time to list your home? According to Bankrate, and I quote, the average U.S. homeowner has over $274,000 of equity in their home, which is an increase from $182,000 pre-COVID. If you're a homeowner with a good amount of equity in your home, but you're also carrying debt, now might be the perfect time to sell. Why? Most homeowners have enough equity in their mortgage to pay off the high debts like credit cards and car payments, consolidate their bills. So when you go to make the purchase of your replacement home, you may find yourself in a better position than you were with that 3% interest rate and high debt. Plus, take advantage of the current market with your sale because the purchase of your home has less competition. There aren't as many homes that your home has to currently compete with. So with the right agent, you can have your home showcase. Also, there are options for your replacement home, such as short-term rent back, making the offer contingent upon you finding a home, or a bridge loan. Don't let fear of negative headlines get in the way of getting your ultimate dream home. Let's connect, and I'll help navigate through this current real estate market. As always, I'm Allison Miller, helping you bring it all together.